I think there's a philosophical approach to doing quality finishing that sets a real painting company apart from a Craigslist chuck in a truck guy. That's a whole different thing. That's a commodity approach to taking paint from a can and putting it on a surface. What we're doing is different. This is a craftsmanship approach. I'm Doug Imhoff. I'm the owner of Imhoff Fine Residential Painting here in Denver, Colorado. In the early 1990s, I attended my first PCA Advanced Shop Talk event. I met some of the most amazing business owners and contractors in that room, and it inspired me to create something great. A good company puts their people first. A good company pays some homage to the tradition of this business and doesn't just crank out work. The biggest challenge we've had to overcome is the same big challenge every other tradesperson has to overcome, and that is finding and cultivating talent. That's the entire reason we built the training room and put the training modules together. That's why we're PCA accredited contractors, because we want to use that process to train our people. If you can't find them, you have to make them, so we're making them. The type of homeowner we really love is somebody who just takes a great deal of care in how their house looks and wants it to look its best. That's our ideal customer. You can find us online at imhoffpaintingcompany.com. You can call me on my cell phone, 303-229-4355. You can call the office at 303-650-0933. Thank you for watching. I'm Doug Imhoff, Imhoff Fine Residential Painting Company. If you want the best, call us.